Last Tuesday, we talked about the shortening of the thrust to the upside. This progress to the upside is getting shorter and shorter and shorter. This is exhaustion of the demand. I also discussed the possibility for a pullback or consolidation, which is still unfolding. The key bar is still at about 5,800. This is the election bar that need to hold up well. If this bar is violated, then we'll have a short-term volatility, short-term bearish scenario. This is a test of this super momentum bar. Is only tested 50% of this bullish bar. This is healthy and we need to look for a reversal. The only bar that stands out to me is this bar that's happened on Friday. Friday's bar comes with localized increase of the supply, and in terms of the progress to the downside is down 1.37%. It's the largest if we compare to here or even somewhere around here. This is the bar that's even greater, minus 1.9%. That's have similar type of the volume. That's over it's 1.8 million. This is about 1.8. This is about 1.86 or 1.87. Similar volume, but the progress to the downside is slightly lesser, suggesting that there is still some demand present in this bar. And that's also reflected in the next bar. Although this bar, as of yesterday, Monday's bar, doesn't look that bullish, but still this is unfolding. Look at the hourly time frame. This is the important bar that comes with spike of the supply. Look at this. There's excessive supply in this bar. It's a natural place for the price to have a reaction. Yesterday, we see that there is attempt to break above, but there is a rejection tail showed up, failed to come in above this key level, and subsequently, there is no selling or no follow through to the downside. However, during the European London session here, there is some volatility show up. Look at this two bearish bar with localized increase of the volume compared to the past. We could anticipate another lower low test. We could see the low of Friday be tested or take out, another push to the downside and get bought up. Since last Tuesday, what we discussed regarding a pullback or consolidation is still unfolding. The swing is still down. Long-term wise, we still have a higher high, higher low throughout. The key bar that I'm watching is this election bar. You can associate 5,800 level as the final defending level, now testing this election bar. Once it's breakout and have a pullback coming back to test of this bullish momentum bar, that's still normal. I would like to see commitment above yesterday high for it to have a continuation to the upside so that it could test the previous swing high. If it failed to come in above yesterday high, likely we could take out the low and consolidate a little bit before it turn around. The bull doesn't want to see increase of the volatility and also increase of the supply level. We do not want to see this supply level keep increasing and with a big bearish bar. This is still a good rally based on the past reaction, impulsive up move. There's a reaction, impulsive up move. That is a consolidation, going up, coming back with a two-leg pullback, push up. Right now have another pullback. Nothing unusual. Uptrend is still intact. We still have a up channel right here, short term, to test this bullish momentum bar. That's a demand line. We could see another push down to further test this election bar before it turn up.